What's up guys? Welcome back to another Tech View YouTube video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Bluestacks on your Windows PC. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, go to your favorite browser and go to Google and type Bluestacks. Okay, click on the first link, which is www.bluestacks.com. Once you come to this page, you can download BlueStack 5 in here. But if you need to download older version, you can click on all versions and download that version. But for this video, I'm gonna click download BlueStack 5. Okay, it's downloaded. Now you can click on it to install. I'm gonna minimize this browser because we don't need that one. Okay, right now, click on install now. Now it's downloading all the packages they need to install BlueStacks. Okay. Okay. Bluestack is a emulator, Android emulator to run Android apps on on PC. So, like if somebody needs to install an app which is only in Android, so you can use it in Windows by installing Bluestack. So most of the people are using this Bluestack for playing games like PUBG and Call of Duty likewise. So it's a good emulator. So download is finished. Now it's installing all the necessary files to use. Okay. It will only take few seconds or maybe a minute. Let's see. Okay. Download was finished. Now it's starting up. Okay. Here it's Bluestack is opened. So now you can go to Play Store. Click again if it automatically closed off, and click sign in. You need to sign in to your Play Store to download any games or any apps. So click on it and type your Gmail account information and sign in. I'm gonna type mine. And the password. Click I agree. Click I accept. Okay. You can see all the application here now. You can download any app, any game. Most of the games and apps should work not with nothing error. So I'm gonna search for. Let me go to top chart. Okay. For now, I'm gonna install Temple Run because it is very low megabytes. So I'm gonna click it and click install. You can download and install any game you want and play it without any issues. Now it's installing. I'm gonna click open now. And this is a horizontal game, so that's why it's simple. Okay, starting. I'm gonna click play. I think you can swipe. Yeah, swipe. I'm gonna swipe. Yeah, I can jump. Oh, swipe. Go to left. See, you can. Everything is working fine. I know this is a small game, but you can download any game and use it. Okay, I'm gonna go to home now. Yeah. In this video, I'm not gonna go through all the settings. For now, I'm gonna tell you can full screen this when you're playing game like PUBG or COD, Call of Duty. You need to full screen, right? So you can click full screen and volume down and increase, and you can take a screenshot, those kind of thing. I'm not gonna go in depth in settings because if I go in depth in settings, this video will be very long. So uh, I will do another video to explain all the settings, and also I will show you the settings, best settings for low end PC and high end PC. So you can choose whatever the thing you need and use it as. So it will work very very good and get very good FPS. Okay, that's it for today's video. I think I helped you to download and install BlueStack 5, and also I showed you how to play a game. So I think this video very helpful for you. If that's the case, just subscribe to this channel and click on like button. And if you have any questions, comment down in the below and let me know what game you have downloaded and installed and worked fine. So that's it for today's video. See you next time within the tech video. Thank you.